This message is for anybody living in the West. Whether you're young and just starting out, or you've been there for years and feel stuck. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. I'm here to tell you the truth. Because nobody else will. Living in the West can feel like freedom. There's opportunity, there's structure, there's money. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. That freedom can destroy you if you don't have a plan. I've seen brothers who came full of dreams, but now they're just surviving, working 9 to 5, paycheck to paycheck, no direction, stressed, depressed, same cycle every day, no growth, no peace. And if you just arrived in the West, listen up closely. Set a goal. Ask yourself, where do you want to be in 1 year? Not 5 years, just one. Work hard, save money, learn the system, taxes, credit, jobs, how things work. Stay from anything that will get you in trouble with the law. Period. That system, one mistake can haunt you forever. It could ruin your life. One dumb fight, one late night, one crew, that's all it takes. And the ones who are already stuck, I see you too. You've been in the West for years now. Maybe you had plans, but life swallowed them. You got comfortable, you got distracted, you lost time. But it's not too late. You can still shift. You can still sit down and write a new goal and chase it. The system is not perfect, far from it, but it gives you a chance if you're disciplined. Stop living like tomorrow is guaranteed. Get uncomfortable, wake up again. You're not done. Let me tell you something most won't say. That is not your country. I don't care how long you live there. You got citizen, you got work permit, doesn't matter. The West will never feel like home the way like your country feels like home. One day, whether you want to or not, you will come back home. So start preparing now, before it's too late. Don't chase the American dream. That lifestyle you see on social media is fake. Flashy cars, clothes, parties, it's all a distraction. Most of the people living that life are already in debt. They're depressed, they're stressed, and deep down, they're empty. You're not here to impress anyone, you're here to build. So here's the mindset. Work while you're young, sacrifice now. Build your foundation. Have fun later, with purpose, with peace. Surround yourself with people who are moving forward. Learn a skill, start a side hustle. Help your family back home, help yourself. Living in the West can either be a blessing or a trap. Don't fall on that trap. It depends on you. So ask yourself, what am I doing today that my future self will thank me for? That's nomad mindset. Not just surviving, but building. Not just dreaming, but moving. If you understand this message, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment. Tell me what you're working on. And share it with somebody that needs to hear this message. We're not here to entertain. We're here to awaken. Let's grow together.